I went to University of Detroit Mercy for dental school. Upon graduation from dental school, I enlisted in the United States Navy. They paid for my education, and I did an AEGD residency. If I'm not working, I'm with family. If you're in Michigan, you got to go up north. So we have a cottage on the lake, and we like to go pontooning and jet skiing. I like to bike, not only cycle biking, but I also have a motorcycle. I'm married with my wife for 27 years. We have 2 boys. We're very proud of them. My wife also is with me in the practice, so she understands the administrative portion and the business aspect of our practice, where I focus on the clinical aspect of our practice. And it really allows our practice to grow and excel. But most importantly, it allows me to focus on what my passion is, which is dentistry.